David, Birmingham, Alabama, another kind of custody issue where mom unilaterally decides to keep a child. What's your success story?
Yeah, just sort of piggybacking on some of the other stories that we've heard. There was a lot of concern here in Birmingham, Alabama, and surrounding counties that a lot of clients or opposing parties were going to be trying to manipulate the COVID-19 situation by removing the kid away and trying to get an advantage in the custody situation. And in this particular case, we had already had a temporary order in place that essentially granted the parties joint custody. And mom, right around the time that COVID-19 became an issue and courts started shutting down and public places became, a lot more restrictive as to what kind of access there was going to be, mom took kid away and just told us up front that she was not going to return the kid. So in that particular case, thankfully, client contacts me immediately. We reach out to opposing counsel immediately and let them know and document everything that's going on so that we have a record to show exactly what mom's doing and what she's trying to do. She's telling us that she's not going to follow the court order. And we made it very apparent that if she didn't follow the court order, that we were going to file a contempt motion with the court. And things typically don't go very well with the judge when the judge finds out that you're not following court order. So we documented everything, and in that particular case, we were able to get kid back under the current court order that was in place. And there were other instances law enforcement had to get involved at various times, and it was a very contentious divorce proceeding. And by keeping good records all along the way, we're able to get a good result for the client that involved him getting joint legal and physical custody 50-50.